Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session we are going to look into another variation of distribution plot that is called density plot. So let's look into the diagram of the plot which we are going to design in this session. So guys, this is the diagram of the density plot and which we are going to design in this session. One important point you should remember that whenever we are talking about the density plot, then it should be applied only to the continuous variable. So let's jump into the Jupyter notebook and write the code to design this plot. But prior to that, I just wanted to let you know what actually we are going to do. So we are going to use the same kind of data set which we have been using from the last sum session, that is mpg.csv, that is miles per gallon, which holds the information about how much mileage each vehicle is giving. They are consuming 1 gallon of fuel. And with the help of this particular density plot, we wanted to showcase distribution of city mileage by number of cylinders. And over here, the different color combination of this plot is representing the number of cylinders within the car. So let's start writing the code for this particular plot. So we are into the Jupyter notebook and the steps which we are going to follow is the same which we have been following from very long. A step 1 and a step 2 is going to remain same, where we are having this mpg.csv data. For this example, we are not having much preparation for the data, so we are directly skipping to the step 4 and where we will draw the plot on this data frame. But prior to that, let's execute this one so that we can look into the data set. So over here we will select this cell and do shift into. Next, select step 2, shift into, and we will get this data. And as you already aware about this data set, we are going to use in this example the city as well as the cylinder. So this cylinder. So let's write the code to draw the density plot. So here I will select a step 4, press B, and over here I will write first step. You remember we have to create the figure, so we will tell that figure, and here we need to specify figure size equal to 16,10. That is our standard size we have been following. 16 is width, 10 is height, and over here I need to specify DPI, that is 80. Now the next step, to draw the density plot, we are going to use Seaborn KDE plot. So let's write SNS dot KDE plot, and over here I need to tell that the data frame which I am going to use is df.loc, and over here we are now slicing it. So I am telling that I want all the record which is having 4 cylinders. So I will tell that df, and within that I need to specify the cylinder, that is the column name, and over here I need to specify equal to 4, and this is for the cylinder data, and over here I need to specify city. So I will tell that city column, and then we need to specify some of the parameter. Shade I want true, color I want green, so I will specify green, and level I will tell that level equal to, and within the double quotes we need to specify cylinder equal to 4, and I need to specify the alpha equal to .7. I will copy this code and paste it 3 times again so that we can access some other cases also. Over here I will specify 5 to give me the record which has 5 cylinder, next which has 6 cylinder, and which has 8 cylinder, and here we need to change the color. So for this one I am going to use something called deep pink. Next I will tell that there is something called Dodger blue, and at last I will tell orange, and make sure that you are changing the value over here. This is for 5, this is for 6, and this is for 8. So we have drawn our plot. Now next we have to decorate it. So this time I am going to use the plot.title. So I will specify over here, and I will tell that density plot of city mileage by number of cylinders. So I will tell that cylinders, the font size is going to be the large. So I will tell that font size equal to large. Large is our constant which I already created over here. You will see it over here. So that is 22. So I should mention over here, and over here I will tell that I want legend also. So I will tell plot dot legend and specify this parenthesis. So I'm calling that method, and over here I will tell plot dot show. So we are ready. Now just grab this code, cut it from this place and paste it over here so that we can execute it together. So now let's execute this and let's look into the output. Shift enter. We got error because we did a typo blunder over here. So this bracket should come over here. Sorry for that, guys. So we need to specify over here, cut this bracket and paste it over here. Cut this one, paste it over here. Same is the case with this one. Paste it over here. Same is the case with this one. Sorry for that, guys. So it was a typo. Now do shift enter and then we will find that we got one more error. Legend, what is happening? Sorry guys, shift enter again. And over here we will find that we got a plot, and this is called density plot, and with the help of this plot we can identify the distribution within the data, and that is of type continuous. For this particular example we are identifying the city mileage by number of cylinders, and this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. In the next session we are going to look into another variation of the same density plot, but this time we are going to draw histogram as well along with the density curves. So on this note I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.